let's go to to one more video in here at the channel. Let's go. We're gonna talk in to this thing, talking thingy that everyone's talking about, the video game thingy that everyone's talking about. You know what I meaning. Let's get to it. Of course, I'm talking about this. Yeah, the PlayStation 5. Yeah, you know it. Anyway. Oh, Jesus. Why I... Yeah, I don't know why. Sorry. Anyway. We saw... Wednesday 7 March. Wednesday, October 7th. We saw... a guy disassemble in the PS5. In here. I'm going to show the video. Please. Look. This is some on the PS5. Look over there. As you can see the power cable, HDMI, internet, and 2 USB over there. Yeah. Continuing. USB. Look how it is. He's disassembling. I'm gonna pause the video for a while. Wait. So that's as you can see, that is the hard drive disk format where you put the hard drive, where you put your disk to play the games. PlayStation 5 backwards compatibility to the PlayStation 4. The first game that will come with the PlayStation 5 obviously is Spider-Man Miles Morales. The new Ratchet Clank Rift support. Yeah. Get ready to be mad with this game if you want to beat 100% of this game. Gran Turismo 7, a race game. Yeah. Last one, and we got no Gollum game, Lord of the Rings Gollum for the PlayStation 5. This game will be also available for the new Xbox Series X. Yeah. But yeah. The last thing we're gonna talk about the PlayStation 5 price. Well, the release dates and the price. Well, the price will be, well, the normal with the hard drive disk has, it costs $500, while the digital edition costs $400. It will be expensive in other countries. And it will be released in November 13 in other countries. Hope you guys enjoy it. Enjoy this video. Leave a like, subscribe, thumbs up, and hit the bell to get notifications. Bye everybody.